Legitimate na ba anak nyo after nyo magpakasal? Yes! Kung qualified sila. Huh? Di ba, attorney, kaya anak sa labas ang tawag sa kanila kasi hindi pa kasal yung magulang nila nung pinanganak sila? So that means, nung nagpakasal na sila, automatic, legitimate na. Well, yes and no. Before ma-legitimize ang anak nyo, dadaan mo na yan sa legitimation process. And this is only allowed if walang legal na hadlang during the time of conception. Meaning, hindi sila kasal sa iba nung panahon na yon. Walang legal impediment. And then, nagpakasal na yung magulang after nilang pinanganak. Article 177, 178 of the Family Code. So, meaning nito, kahit magpakasal kayo years after your baby was born, dahil siguro deads na si first husband, at free na kayo ngayon to marry, naku, bawal pa rin i-legitimize ang anak nyo. Because during that time, si girl had a first husband. Yikes! Pero paano naman kung walang problema? Automatic na ba yon? Hindi pa. Kailangan mong dumaan sa buong legitimation process. So, after you get married, file a petition for legitimation. You file it with the family court para madeklara na legitimate na yung mga anak nyo. And what will you present to the court? PSA marriage certificate, PSA birth certificate, at yung proof na walang legal impediment nung time of conception. And once the court grants this, magbibigay yung court ng order to update your birth certificate. Yay! Buo na yung makukuha mong mana! Hindi na one half. And para sa inyong may legal impediment, well, that's a video for another day. This is Congresswoman Attorney Migs Nograles, ang Ping Kanunay.